hang up and try again.
So now you got your Chromebook home, we need to figure out how to access our email. There are 3 different options, and probably more, for accessing your email. When you come up and you launch a Google page and you have nothing in there, there's always these 3 dots up here. Click on that, and you can click here on this Gmail icon. You'll often see an icon like this down at the bottom or in your toolbar. Or you can come into the Omnibox and simply type mail.google.com, and it will launch you into your inbox. But if you feel like you haven't gotten a message in a while and just want to check, you can always click here and it will reload, or you can click the reload the page button up here at the top and it reloads the whole thing, and it will load your Gmail and show you any new messages that you may or may not have received during that time. Well, you come over here to this arrow, you can click reply, type your response and say thank you, and hit send. So if you hold on to these 3 arrows, it pulls up a menu option of different options. Forward would send a copy of that message to another recipient. To click a new message, you simply click the compose button and this message window pops up. And this is where you would type the email address of whoever you're going to send to. And you can see that it may have some people that you already know pop in there. You also have the option to add a carbon copy, which will send a copy of the same message to another recipient, or a blind carbon copy, which will send the same message to somebody else, but the other recipients won't see that they've seen it. And then you also should add a subject to your email. So you should say what the message is about, just a couple words saying this is what the message is about, and then you would type the body of your message. So I'll show you how that's done. You could come to the Holyoke school website, and on the staff page you can find all of the staff email addresses. And so once you click on a staff email, so let's say you wanted to send an email to your teacher, you wanted to send an email to Mrs. Schlachter, you would just click on that and it would pop up a new email for you. And now you're sending an email to Mrs. Schlachter. And it already puts it in there, and all now you have to do is type in a subject for her. So, question about class. And then you can ask her any question you have about class.
Hello?
So we're going to send an email to Mr. Stump. So I can go to the staff page, or I can just start typing in Stump. Let's say we're going to send him a message about the video you're watching. Good morning. I'm posting this video about how to access, send, and receive email. I will post it on the school website when I'm done. And then when you're all done, you just hit send. And it's all gone.